Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today, we're diving into the world of sewing and bringing you a countdown of the best-selling sewing machine parts and accessories on Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned seamstress or just starting out, we've got the top products to enhance your sewing experience. Without further ado, let's get started. Introducing the upgraded magnetic seam guide for sewing machines, your new secret weapon for precision stitching. This third-generation marvel, with its robust magnetic absorption, ensures no more wobbly seams or uneven lines. Forget the hassle of complex installations. This guide is all about ease and efficiency. Just snap it onto the needle plate, and you're ready to sew like a pro. Imagine the convenience of having your fabric glide effortlessly along the guide, maintaining a perfect seam width every time. Say goodbye to curling edges and wayward threads. This magnetic seam guide is crafted from high-quality stainless steel and powerful magnets, promising unwavering stability and accuracy. It's the ideal tool for edge protection, precise positioning, and ensuring those bright threads stay straight. Whether you're stitching through thick fabrics or delicate materials, this guide has you covered. Its universal compatibility means it works seamlessly with most quilting and sewing machine brands, making it a must-have for professional garment makers and home sewing enthusiasts alike. From straight to curved stitch lines, achieve flawless results and reduce errors in your projects. The package includes one magnetic seam guide, making it a practical and durable addition to your sewing toolkit. It's also a perfect gift for sewing enthusiasts on special occasions. Think Thanksgiving, Mother's Day, Christmas, Easter, New Year's Day, Valentine's Day, birthdays, and more. For those whose sewing machines lack a metal plate behind the presser foot, no worries. Simply use a sticky metal plate to secure your guide. Elevate your sewing game with the upgraded magnetic seam guide and experience the joy of effortless, precise stitching. Coming in at number 4, we have the Sewing Magnetic Seam Guide by WENICE, a game changer for your sewing projects. This indispensable accessory is perfect for anyone looking to sew straight, precise seams with ease. Just place it where you want your line of stitching and watch as it guides your fabric flawlessly through the machine. No more guesswork, no more wavy lines. The robust magnetic hold ensures this guide stays firmly in place, providing you with the consistency and accuracy you need. It's an effortless solution to one of the most common sewing challenges. Crafted for versatility, this seam guide is suitable for most sewing machines, provided there's metal on one side of the presser foot. It's the ultimate tool for both seasoned professionals and enthusiastic beginners, simplifying the sewing process and delivering impeccable results every time. Included in the package is one magnetic seam guide, ready to revolutionize your sewing experience. Its strong magnetic grip means it won't move or shift, allowing you to focus on your creative flow without interruption. Place it, align your fabric, and sew with confidence. Elevate your sewing precision with the WENICE Magnetic Seam Guide and experience the difference in your projects. From straight seams to perfect lines, this tool ensures you achieve professional-level quality with every stitch. Make it a part of your sewing toolkit today. At number 3 on our countdown of best-selling sewing machine parts and accessories on Amazon, we present the Singer All-Purpose Sewing Machine Oil. This isn't just any oil, it's the lifeblood of your sewing machine, ensuring smooth, uninterrupted performance and longevity. Imagine the intricate mechanisms of your sewing machine working in perfect harmony. With this 3.38 fluid ounce bottle of Singer's premium lubricant, that's exactly what you get. Crafted with precision, this oil is essential for maintaining the metal parts of your sewing machine, preventing rust and reducing wear and tear. Why is this oil a must-have? It's simple. The Singer All-Purpose Sewing Machine Oil is formulated to penetrate deeply into the tiny crevices and joints of your machine, ensuring every moving part glides effortlessly. A well-lubricated machine means more consistent stitches, less noise, and a longer lifespan for your beloved equipment. Versatility is key. This oil isn't just for sewing machines. Its high-quality formulation makes it suitable for a variety of household items that need a touch of lubrication, from door hinges to bicycle chains. One bottle, countless applications. Easy to use, this bottle comes with a convenient applicator, allowing you to target those hard-to-reach areas with precision. Just a few drops in the right spots, and your sewing machine will be running as smoothly as the day you bought it. Don't let friction slow you down. Ensure your sewing projects proceed seamlessly with the Singer All-Purpose Sewing Machine Oil. It's the trusted choice for professional seamstresses, hobbyists, and anyone who demands the best from their sewing machine. Add it to your toolkit and experience the difference quality lubrication makes. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling sewing machine parts and accessories on Amazon? If so, don't be a so-and-so. Stitch that like button, thread the subscribe needle, and press the bell icon to keep your sewing game seamless. Claiming the #2 spot on our countdown of best-selling sewing machine parts and accessories on Amazon is the TIGARI Magnetic Seam Guide for Sewing Machines. This multifunctional tool is an absolute game-changer for both professional garment makers and home sewing enthusiasts. Let's talk precision. The TIGARI Magnetic Seam Guide offers unparalleled seam control. With its powerful magnet, this guide ensures your stitches stay straight and true, whether you're working with delicate fabrics or thick materials. Unlike traditional guides that might slip or veer off course, this guide holds its position firmly, delivering consistent and accurate results every time. Ease of use? Absolutely. Simply place the TIGARI magnetic clips on your sewing machine's needle plate and let the magic happen. Your fabric glides effortlessly along the guide, maintaining a uniform seam width without any fuss. Need to reposition? No problem. The guide can be effortlessly removed and adjusted as needed, providing ultimate convenience for any project. But it's not just about precision and ease. The TIGARI Magnetic Seam Guide is crafted from high-quality stainless steel and powerful magnets, ensuring secure placement throughout your sewing process. It's perfect for edge protection, positioning, and anti-curling, ensuring your stitches are always stable and precise. And compatibility? This guide has it. It works seamlessly with most quilting and sewing machine brands, making it a versatile addition to your sewing toolkit. Whether you're sewing straight lines or tackling curved stitch patterns, the TIGARI guide reduces errors and enhances your sewing efficiency. In the package, you'll find one magnetic seam guide, ready to elevate your sewing experience. And if your machine doesn't have a metal plate behind the presser foot, a sticky magnet square will ensure your guide stays securely in place. Elevate your sewing game with the TIGARI Magnetic Seam Guide and experience the joy of flawless, efficient stitching. This is the tool that will make every sewing project smoother, quicker, and more enjoyable. And finally, claiming the top spot in our countdown of best-selling sewing machine parts and accessories on Amazon, we have the TOOVREN Upgraded Magnetic Seam Guide for Sewing Machines. This tool is a true revolution in the world of sewing, designed to elevate your projects with unmatched precision and ease. Meet the upgraded 3rd-generation multifunctional magnetic seam guide. Its powerful magnet adsorption means no installation is needed, offering unparalleled practicality. This guide excels at blocking edges, precise positioning, anti-curling, and pressing bright threads. Even when tackling thick fabrics, it maintains perfect alignment, ensuring your stitches are stable and accurate. Convenience is key with the Buddy Sue Magnetic Seam Guide. Need to reposition? No problem. This guide can be effortlessly removed and placed exactly where you need it. Simply set it on your sewing machine's needle plate and let the fabric glide smoothly over. The upgraded strong magnetic hold keeps it firmly in place, delivering precise results on every project. Crafted from premium stainless steel and robust magnets, this seam guide promises durability and long-lasting performance. It provides excellent edge protection, assists with positioning, and prevents fabric from curling. The magnet's secure hold ensures you work with stability and accuracy, project after project. Versatility is another hallmark of the TOOVREN guide. It works with most popular quilting and sewing machine brands, making it a versatile tool for both professional garment makers and home sewing enthusiasts. Achieve flawless straight or curved stitch lines, reducing errors and enhancing your sewing efficiency. Included in the package is one magnetic seam guide. It's a practical and durable accessory, perfect for anyone passionate about sewing. Whether it's a special holiday like Thanksgiving, Mother's Day, Christmas, or a friend's birthday, this guide makes an excellent gift for sewing lovers. For those whose sewing machines lack a metal plate behind the presser foot, a sticky metal block will ensure your guide stays securely in place. Experience the ultimate in precision and convenience with the TOOVREN upgraded magnetic seam guide. Transform your sewing projects with this top-of-the-line accessory and enjoy the joy of perfect stitching every time. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling sewing machine parts and accessories on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed. Until next time, thank you and see you soon.